Everybody that you hire to create anything for you, there should be a contract. And in that contract, there is a clause that we have that says whether that deals with that. So that it would have said that anything, any images used, it would have been clear as to who's to provide them. And also, I would have had a clause that says in any images that that designer used, they are warranting that they have the right to them. So that if somebody, and so there's an indemnification. I know you know indemnification. You've seen that word a lot. And basically it's a big word that means somebody else gonna take the rap for this. Okay. So with an indemnification clause, your friend would have had an indemnification clause that says if somebody comes after me for this content and I get in trouble, you taking a rap for me because you're telling me that I can use it.
Right.
So anytime you have editors, designers, illustrators, this comes up a lot with children's books. You've got to be careful about those things. I know even cover art, even book design, book covers. Anytime you're having that, you gotta have a contract.
Rhythm